Sytuacja wygląda następująco. Te skarpetki mają 4. dzień, ale jeszcze działają.
Na którą stronę je przekręciłeś?
Na 3. już.
A tam jest policja, która zgarnia ludzi z imprezki.
I speak English, yeah, in Belgium. Well, speak Polish then. Me? Spanish?
Let's go, man. Wow, we're smashing Europe. We're smashing Europe all day, every day. You don't know. Check the thing. 2020, Lost Boys. Boom.
Bardzo gorąco, czerwony.
No i okej, wracamy do naszego poprzedniego trybu życia. Jak już jesteś w jednej miejscowości 3 dni, to ci się wydaje, że się zasiedzisz. Już jesteśmy, mamy raz, dwa, 3 CPN-y koło siebie. Jesteśmy jeszcze w Luksemburgu, ale tu już jest granica z Belgią. No i dzisiaj do Belgii.
Already in Belgium, mate. Let's go, man. Couple important messages. The important messages are: we're in Belgium. There was no quarantine. The guy did say that you have to wear a mask pretty much everywhere you go, so I'm guessing it's the same as Luxembourg. If it doesn't, look at this. Look at this. Measures, anti-COVID measures, COVID-19, no cash. What a joke. Merci. Back on the road again. Hitchhike number 3 today. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. See, lovely people. And they used to travel around as well, so
They know.
So they know exactly what we're doing.
Welcome here in the first spot of Brussels that you just entered, guys.
That's it. That is actually the first place in Brussels we've ever been. What?
The band. No, that's... Meh. Meh.
There we go.
He knows. He knows.
Good morning, people. Wow. Oh shit. We're going to help the guys out, do some stuff, have some food first. Last day of the festival, the biggest party of the festival. Everyone's looking to get mash up by the looks of things. More people coming in. To be fair with everyone, we're expecting the police to come because in Belgium there's not meant to be a gathering of more than 4 people. There's going to be way over 200 people here. The plan is, they've already told us, and I think they told everyone, if the police comes, we're going to go all the way down the field and hide in the bushes. There's probably about 150 people here now. I reckon probably hit 200 or 250, maybe 300 if we're lucky. Cheers. Free alcohol was good alcohol.
Police left, now they're coming back. They left before, they've come again. I think they know exactly what they're doing. We just watched like 14 police cars leave the property, so I think that's all gone. And we're gonna try to get back in. That's it. I think most people are leaving. But the people that have the tents and the stuff, they're gonna stay.
Dobra, to tak. Wstaliśmy, Ramirez, przywitaj się.
Dzień dobry.
Cześć. Dzień dobry. A tam jest policja, która zgarnia ludzi z imprezki. Byli już tutaj tak w nocy, uciekaliśmy. Byli tu w południe i teraz znowu przyszli, nie?
Sytuacja wygląda następująco. Te skarpetki mają 4. dzień, ale jeszcze działają.
Na którą stronę je przekręciłeś?
Na 3. już. Żeby było wszystko elegancko.